last week you chatted with some people about your ideas for solving whatever problem you chose. And then you had to pick which solution to work on. And this week it's time to prototype it. Now, at first it might seem a little bit impossible. You might think, oh, I don't have everything I need, I can't make it work. But think back to the wallet activity. You probably wished you had some materials that you couldn't, and you were still able to make a prototype to get the idea across. And that's what we're going for here. Try and emulate whatever you were thinking with everyday things, or illustrate your idea process. For some of you, you're thinking more of like a service where there's going to be multiple steps and communication in between, and you can think about that. Maybe do a table like this is going to be step 1, and then if customer says this, it'll go here. If customer says that, it'll go here, and so on. And then make a quick video illustrating that, take pictures, etc. Or for some of you, you are thinking more of a product. So perhaps make something out of whatever's around the house and then do a quick video or take photos of how your product would work. And I'm glad too, a lot of you guys have been really creative. So if you're thinking something else for your idea, totally go for that and then submit it in whatever form makes sense. Maybe you need a Google Doc or slideshow, whatever works for you. So enjoy trying out prototyping and have fun.